Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Salesforce AI Champions. Today I'll be discussing how to use conditional formatting in Lightning record page. So before get started, please do like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. I'm just telling you firstly how to access the Lightning record page. So like from the object manager, we can find our respective object, like in this case opportunity, and from the Lightning record page we can find our all the Lightning record pages and we can directly edit them. So this is how we can access opportunity record lightning flexi page. So and also we can use that gear icon, and on clicking on the edit page we can we can be redirected to this same lightning record page. So how to add that conditional formatting for a field. So conditional formatting is like some kind of means call attention to a field by adding special formatting based on rules that you provide, so that end users can quickly identify the most relevant information. So basically we can highlight a field with some kind of conditions. Whenever the value within the field meets, then we can highlight the field as well. And like how we can find all the conditional rules, like on the clicking on the view rule set, we can be redirected to the opportunity object, and from the set of actions we can find conditional field formatting. So in here all the respective rules will be shown. So let me create a rule first for the account amount. So I'll be adding on the conditional formatting field. There is a create rule set action. On clicking on this create rule set, so rule set is nothing but a collection of rules. We need to provide the rule set name. Like for this case, I can add amount rules in opportunity, and the format can be like icon, field, and object is opportunity. On clicking on next, we can specify the rule or the conditions and how the icon, and we can select the icon. Like for this case I can select this thumbs up icon, and the color could be green. And selecting, like, I want to add a rule for whenever the amount is greater than or equals to $50,000, then only this thumbs up will be shown on the field level. So this is how we have created. We can create a simple rule on the amount field, and I'm clicking on the save rule set. So this rule set got created, and if I refresh this page in the opportunity, so we can find that our rule got created. So this is our rule, and all the rules will be shown here whenever we add more rules to a field. And we let me test it out, and I'll be clicking on save. And let me just quickly refresh this page once, and on the details we can see that thumbs up is there since it's greater than 50,000. And let me reduce the value, like making it 6,000, and on clicking we can see that the thumbs up icon has removed. But if I increase the value to more than 50,000, then we can see the thumbs up icon appears. So this is how conditional formatting works in Salesforce dynamic forms. So thank you for watching. Please stay tuned. Please do like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.